Good morning, students. I hope so all of you are doing well. So, let's start with today's English class. So, I welcome you all to the English class. So, today the topic is chapter number 7. So, we have already started in our last class with chapter number 7. So, today we are going to continue with chapter number 7, that is present and past continuous, from your new learners English grammar and composition book. So, all of you quickly turn to page number 51. So let's get started. So we have to quickly brush up and recapitulate what we had done in our last class. So in our last class we had learnt about the tense, right? So what is tense? So tense is something that tells us about the time at which the work or any work that has been done, right? So we come to know about the time of the action, right? At which time which work has been done. So we learned that there are mainly three types of tenses, that they are the present tense that talks about the work or the action that is going on or that takes place in the present time, which mainly deals with the universal facts, routine work and the schedules. Okay, and it deals with the first form of verb. Then we know about the past tense. It mainly tells us about the action that had started or finished in the past. So it takes the second form of the verb, and the future tense mainly refers to the action which will happen in future. So it may be planned or it might be unplanned. So it also takes the first form of the verb. So here you can see I cook food daily when we talk about present tense. I cooked food last night when we refer to past tense, and I will cook food tomorrow when we talk about the future tense. So we had learned about the present continuous tense. So whenever we talk about any action that has or that tells us about the ongoing action which is taking place, events or something that has happened around us. Okay, so we use the present continuous tense. So it is the progressive form which shows us the action that is going on. For that we can use it for three forms, that is the affirmative or the positive sentence, negative sentence, and for framing questions. So for that we need the subject plus the do form, that is am, is and are plus verb plus ing plus object. So we had learned in details about this. So today we will be dealing with the past continuous form. So we have also learned about past continuous form whenever we refer to any action or verb that has started in the past or that has taken place in the past. Okay. So the past continuous tense expresses the following happening circumstances or ongoing actions which is completed before time. So for this also we use subject, was and were plus verb plus ing plus object. That is for the affirmative or positive sentence. John was going to London next month. Next, for negative sentence, John was not going to London next month, and for framing question, was John going to London next month? So these talk about the future plans. Okay, next, past continuous examples, formula and usage. Past continuous or past progressive tense is used to describe the past action that has not finished. Okay. Now here are some examples. He was playing football yesterday. What were you doing last weekend? I was writing a book. Jano was cooking dinner last night. Next one. They were running in the park. So these are some examples of past continuous tense. Now we will move to page number 51. So now we have got the idea about the past continuous tense as well as about the present continuous tense. Right? So let's learn something more. The continuous tense form can be used both in the present tense and the past tense. So you can use the continuous tense for referring to or for speaking about both present tense and the past tense. Now let's check out the examples. Number 1, when we talk about present continuous, you can see, Rohan, what are you doing now? Vinayak, I am washing my clothes. So we are talking about present continuous, about the action that is going on right at this moment, right? So Rohan is asking, what are you doing now? And Vinayak is giving the answer, I am washing my clothes. Number 2, when we talk about past continuous, so Rohan, I rang you in the morning. Why didn't you take the call? So Vinayak is giving the answer, I was washing my clothes. So these are referring to the actions that has already taken place in the past. Again I am reading the examples. Rohan, I rang you up in the morning. Why didn't you take the call? So Vinayak is giving the answer, I was washing my clothes. So that was the action or work which Vinayak was doing when Rohan gave him a call in the morning. So now you will move to your exercise, that is on page number 51. Okay. So number 1, fill in the blanks. Let's practice. So what we have to do here? Fill in the blanks in these sentences given below. Use the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. One has been done for you. So A has been done for us. So Dhoni, so drive will become was driving when he met his friend. Okay. So we have to begin from number B. His friend dash, so walk will become was walking. His friend was walking down the street when he tripped on the pavement. Trip means he fell down on the pavement. So walk will become was walking. Number C, they dash me. C will become saw. They saw me when I fall will become was falling. So your number C answer is, answers are, they saw me when I was falling. Number D, I dash bath will become was bathing. I was bathing, so I miss will become missed. So I missed your call. So the answers are, I was bathing, so I missed your call. Number E, we walk will become were walking. We walk will become were walking. We were walking in the mountains when we hear will become heard. When we heard a loud scream. So number E, we were walking in the mountains when we heard a loud scream. Number F, they dash. So have will become were having. They were having so much fun at the party. They decide will become decided. They decided to stay a little longer. So number F, they were having so much fun at the party. They decided to stay a little longer. Number G, while I was having. So have will become was having. While I was having a drink in the cafe, I see will become saw. I saw an accident outside. So your answer is, answer number F is, answer number G is, while I was having a drink in the cafe, I saw an accident. Okay. Next, number G. Sorry, number H. The teacher arrive will become arrives. The teacher arrives at 8 a.m. every day, but she arrive will become arrived. But she arrived late yesterday. So, number H. The teacher arrives at 8 a.m. every day. And the second dash, but she arrived late yesterday. Number I book. Book will become I was booking tickets online for a movie. When the power go will become went. When the power went out. So number I was booking tickets online for a movie. When the power go will become went out. Now let's move to number J, that is in the next page. So number J, I dash, in the bracket you have jog in the evening. So your answer is I jog. It is a daily routine work. So you jog every day. So there will be no change in the form of the verb. It will remain jog. I jog in the evenings. So jog will remain jog. There will be no change in the form of the verb. Number K. I, in the bracket you have finish. I dash my homework now so that I can dash TV later. So in the bracket you have finish and watch. So your answer is I am finishing my homework now so that I can watch TV later. So the answer of number K are I am finishing. Am finishing. So finish will become am finishing. I am finishing my homework now so that I can watch TV later. So I hope so all of you have completed exercise number 1. So we will move to the second exercise, that is number 2. Read this passage. Change the present continuous forms, continuous verbs into past continuous form. Also change the other verbs as required. So we have to rewrite the passage and we have to change the present continuous form into past continuous form. Okay, so here you can see we are watching a football match. Our club is playing in the finals. The captain is running fast with the ball. He is passing it on to the center forward. The center forward is dribbling the ball and is moving quickly towards the opposite goal post. The captain is following him. He is passing the ball back to the captain, and the captain immediately scores a goal. So this entire passage we need to change it into past continuous. Okay, so let's start with it. So you are going to write in small handwritings because the space is not much, so you need to fit the entire thing. So write in neat and small handwriting, right? So let's start. So it will be, we were watching a football match. So we are will become we were, because it is past continuous now. So we were watching a football match. Our club was playing in the finals. Our club was playing in the finals. The captain was running fast with the ball. The captain was running fast with the ball. He was passing it on to the center forward. He was passing it on to the center forward. The center forward was dribbling the ball and was moving quickly towards the opposite goal post. The center forward was dribbling the ball and was moving quickly towards the opposite goal post. The captain was following him. The captain was following him. He was passing the ball back to the captain. He was passing the ball back to the captain, and the captain immediately scored a goal. And the captain immediately scored a goal. So I hope so, children, you have understood that all the present form of the verbs like are, is, then all the be forms will be changing to the past, right? It will become was, were. Okay, so you have to change or convert the entire passage into past continuous form. So I hope so all of you have followed and all of you have completed your work. Okay, let's see, check out the revision that is there on page number 52. So you can see the present continuous is used to talk about an action that is continuing for some time. The present continuous is used to talk about an action that is continuing, means still happening for some time. The past continuous is used to talk about an action that was going on at a particular time in the past. So past continuous is used to talk about an action that was going on at a particular time in the past. Okay, so the action was taking place in the past. So I hope so all of you have understood and your concept of present continuous and past continuous is clear. So we are going to end our English class here till we meet for our next class. So till then all of you stay safe and stay home. Thank you.